Hello YouTube. Today I have the Mazda 5, like the little minivan, okay? And this video is regarding your window control doesn't work. And on this one I'm going to show you the master control at the door. Okay, how to fix this? Let's say that if you control from here and all the window, it doesn't roll down. But if you control from the door by itself and it roll down by, individually. So even though that door doesn't work, it could work too. But at this point here, I'm going to show you on the one right here, the master control that doesn't work. Okay. So there's a screw right here. Take the screw out and use the flat screwdriver, pry this out open and disconnect this too. Okay. And take this out, and there's a couple of screws that right here, right there, 2 screws down here, and take this out. You will have this right here. This one I already take them out, you see, and the screw is right there. Okay, take these 2 screws out, and what you have to do from here, use your screwdriver, pry this tab. I'm not sure my camera can see it. Oop. Pry this tab right here. Pry this, pry that, and both sides has it. Okay, and you pry all those. After you pry it, this will pop out. So when this pop out, there's another screw right here. Take these screws out. Okay. This right here, yank a little bit and pull this off. Okay. If you don't pull this off, it doesn't coming down. So the computer chip doesn't coming down. Okay. So now just take this out. See this right here, and make sure you check to see if any burning or any unsoldered. Okay, but for this one right here, everything is perfect. So using small screwdriver, prise here again. Okay, you see that little clip right here? Same thing right here. Pry this right here. Pry this right there. And now it's pop up. And you just take this out. And inside this little gray right here, there's a spring load inside here. Okay, so make sure it doesn't fall off. Just be careful with that. If that spring load coming off, then you have to look for it. So now there's a bridge right here. Okay, there's a bridge right here. Take this bridge out. Okay, this right here. Now the 2, it doesn't matter which side. Okay, it will go the same way. So take this 2 bridge out, and you can see it black because it's burnt out. So when this burn out, the contact of that gold plate right here, it does not connect it. So that's why it doesn't roll up or roll down, or maybe roll down, it doesn't roll up. And see, that's the problem. So what you have to do, use something, maybe electrical cleaning or anything like that. It doesn't matter. What I do is I use my little tip screwdriver and scrape that little pin right here. You see that there? Okay, scrape this out to make sure contact is good with the little bridges. I take them out. Okay, so when you clean this right here, clean both, and also clean the little bridges right here. because this little bridges is gonna burn out too. So make sure you clean it. Okay, when you clean it, it get contact. So when it get contact, it will work. Okay, now the reason I tell you to fix it, because Mazda 5, they do carry aftermarket, and aftermarket doesn't work. Because the reason aftermarket doesn't work, because inside here they got 4 pin, and the Mazda 5, it doesn't have pin inside. Okay, it does not have pin inside here. It's just empty. So the one have pin inside here, it doesn't work on your car. I already tried. I bought it from Auto Part, put in there, it doesn't work, because you know, this 4 pin, it doesn't go with this right here, because this doesn't have 4 pin. This, and also they have, you see, like right here in the middle here, and the used one, they have another pin right here in the middle, and on this doesn't have pin. You see, it's empty. So that's why it doesn't work when you buy aftermarket part. It doesn't work for Mazda 5. Some Mazda 5 maybe work, but on this right here, I'm not sure which model, but it's not leather seat, it's a cloth seat, so it doesn't work. Okay, if you can't find another one like this, then just clean it, the one you have. It should work, because I bought this from the junkyard. I thought it would work. I plug it in, it doesn't work. So after I clean it, I test it, it worked. So that's why I'm making this video, to show you that very simple way to fix your, just clean it. Okay, pop all this out. This one right here, a little bit harder to pop, because you have the automatic roll down or up, you know, and you have to take a little bit more further to disassemble the little light right here and all that. You know, have to bend this light out, and then you can clip this out and clean it. So on mine, this one still works. I didn't touch it. So this 3 doesn't work, so I clean it, and it worked for me. Okay, so in case that if you, on the other side that doesn't work, just like what I'm telling you, just pop this out and clean it, and it will work. So I think all the Mazda 3, Mazda 6, they have a similar board like this, so it should work too. It's just not just Mazda 5, I think. And but Mazda 6 and Mazda 3, they have, you know, they also have an aftermarket board that you can find it. But for this Mazda 5, I don't know why I can't find it. I look in Amazon, eBay, or Auto Part, they carry it, but I put in there, it doesn't work because the pin different. Okay, so hopefully this will helping you solving your problem. Just clean it. Okay, and I would say thank you for watching, and you know, we'll see you guys next video, and hopefully this little tip here helping you solving your problem, beside buy a used one or a new one that doesn't work. Okay, see you guys next video. Bye bye now.